Hello guys, hope you all good. Today video will learn how to draw C with cut marker. This is a cut marker and I already teach about how to use cut marker for calligraphy. So I start with first name, first word, first we draw this shape and then second to complete this whole circle. Just first now use full cut of marker and circle and on this point simple shape, use corner marker, use full marker and now use corner marker. Now we practice this shape. We draw first, then turn second and rotate third. So use corner of marker to draw this shape. Now use turn corner marker. Now use full cut of marker and corner marker to complete this shape. Now draw modern calligraphy. First draw this line and rotate second, third and complete to this part, and now turn 4 and 5. So start with this point, use corner of marker, use 75% of tuck, not full. Now same 75% of my cut use, and now use full cut of marker. Now turn, use 75% of cut. Now just use corner of marker and turn in and complete the shape. A simple C. So guys, please like the video, and if you can't watch my already uploaded tutorials, go and watch and check how to draw with cut marker, how to write with cut marker. So guys, like this video, comment your names for draw, comment your opinion for my tutorials, and if you can't subscribe the channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.